Back through the years, I go wandering once again, back to the seasons of my youth. I recall the bags of rags that someone gave us, and how my mama put those rags to use. There were rags of many colors, and every piece was small, and I didn't have a coat. It was way down in the fall. Mama sewed the rags together, so in every piece we left, she made my coat of many colors that I was so proud of. As she sewed, she told a story from the Bible she had read about a coat of many colors. Yours of wearing a man, she said. Perhaps this coat will bring you good luck and happiness. And I just couldn't wait to wear it, and Mama blessed it with a kiss. My coat of many colors that my mama made for me, made only from rags, but I worn it so proudly. Although we had no money, but I was rich as I could be. In my coat of many colors, my mama made for me. So it's patches on my breeches, holes in both my shoes, and my coat of many colors. I hurried off to school just to find the others laughing and making fun of me. And my coat of many colors, my mama made for me. No, I couldn't understand it, for I felt I was rich, and I told them all the love my mama sewed in every stitch. And I told them of the story Mama told me while she sewed, and how my coat of many colors was worth more than all their clothes.